In this video, we will show you how to file a natural gas surcharge consumer return. We protect all the confidential information you provide to us. First, go to the website cdtfa.ca.gov and at the top, click on Login. That will take you to the Online Services Login page. You must log in with a username and password. For assistance with creating a username and password, please watch our tutorials online. On the CDTFA Online Services Login page, we will enter our username and password. Then click Login. On the Online Services Profile page, under the Accounts tab, we will click on the Natural Gas Surcharge hyperlink. This will take us to the Natural Gas Surcharge page. Under the Periods tab, click on the File Return hyperlink next to the return period for which you would like to file. In our example, we will file for the period of October 1st through December 31st, 2020, which is displayed by its return end date of December 31st, 2020. At the Schedule A Natural Gas Surcharge Schedule page, you will report your net taxable therms consumed during the reporting quarter per customer class in the service territory of each public utility gas corporation. To complete the schedule, click on the empty row below the company and surcharge type headers to select from a drop-down menu for each. After selecting the company and surcharge type from the respective drop-down menus, you will then enter the care therms and non-care therms for the reporting period. In this example, we reported 600,000 care therms and 50,000 non-care therms. The system will automatically calculate the care rate, non-care rate, care surcharge, non-care surcharge, and total surcharge if applicable. Click Next to continue. This will take us to the Computation of Surcharge page, where you will enter the total therms consumed and the total exempt therms consumed for the reporting period. The therms subject to surcharge from Schedule A, sum of net taxable therms care and net taxable therms non-care will be automatically calculated. The total surcharge due will be automatically calculated as well. In this example, we reported 1 million total therms consumed and 350,000 total exempt therms consumed. Please note that the number of therms consumed minus the number of exempt therms consumed should equal the sum of net taxable therms care and net taxable therms non-care from Schedule A. Once you have completed the entries on this page, click Next to continue. Review the summary page. If you need to make an adjustment, click Previous. To print a draft of your return prior to submission, click on the Save Draft button. If the information displayed on the page is correct, click Next. On the Your Information page, review the pre-filled information and make changes if necessary. You will also be asked for your title and if you are a paid preparer. In this example, we have entered our title as Officer and have confirmed that we are not a paid preparer by selecting No for this question. When all required fields are completed, click Submit. A window will appear to confirm your intent to file electronically and that your return is true, correct, and complete. Please read this information carefully. Enter your password and click OK to submit. This will serve as your authorization and confirmation. You will not receive a confirmation email. This confirmation page represents a return filing only. Please take note of your confirmation number and the total amount due. We recommend that you print this page for future reference. To make an electronic payment, click on the Make a Payment button. To print your submitted return, click on the Print Return button. You can also share your feedback by clicking on the Online Services Survey button. Your opinion counts. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115 California Relay Service at 711.